Hi everyone, today with me I have Laser Level Pro 3 and this device is super useful and I'm going to show you how. So whether you're hanging pictures or cabinets, this device can really help you in so many ways. The first is you're going to have a ruler on both sides, one in inches and one in centimeters, along with a handheld one that they also sent me. Now you're also going to have the two-way bubbles right here, diagonal, horizontal, and vertical to make sure everything is aligned. Now this also has a laser here at the front with 3 different modes as you can see and a little button to turn it on. So as you can see right here, the laser is on the horizontal level. If you move it down, it will be the vertical, and there's also a hairline one that does both. As you can see, it is absolutely amazing. And last but not least, it even has a 8-foot or 250 centimeter measuring tape right here. So you press down and you can pull it out, and when you release the button up here, it will lock it in place and it won't release it until you press again and you can put it back. This thing is absolutely incredible and even comes with a screwdriver so you can change the batteries. I definitely recommend you guys check this out. It is such a useful and perfect tool to have on hand.